Hello guys, look at these colorful surprise eggs. There's a pink one and a green one and a purple one. Let's open the pink one egg first. Wow, it's a cute fish. Look at its tiny fins. Now the green one. Oh, it's a little crab. See its claws? It looks so funny and happy. It's turn for a purple egg. A tiny turtle is inside. How slow and sweet it looks. These surprise eggs are full of fun ocean friends. Which one do you like the most? The fish, the crab, or the turtle? Let's open more surprises next time. Bye bye.